For this recipe, we shall need vegetables. I'm going to use carrots, Irish, and peas because that is what I have at home. But you can use whatever you have in your fridge. We shall also need rice, salt, and black pepper. On this video, we shall see that you don't necessarily need a specific ingredient to cook whatever you want to cook. Like here, I didn't have cooking oil, so I used ghee to make my onion translucent before I cook the other vegetables. You don't have to put one thing at a time. You can put all the vegetables in the same time, but I've started with the green peas because it takes longer to cook than the other vegetables I have. And let us not argue about washing the rice. Me, I don't wash my rice, especially when it's basmati rice. I don't wash it. And it doesn't need to be done. Really, it doesn't need. If you want to wash your rice, it's okay. But if you don't want, you just don't wash it. And for the ratio, I used 1 cup of rice and 3 cups of water. Normally we do 1 cup of rice and 2 cup of water, but I did an extra because I didn't wash it. If you watched the video up to here, thank you so much. And if it's your first time watching me, please consider joining the family by subscribing, liking, and comment. Also share it to everyone whom you think may be helped by this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming, watching my video, and supporting me. I really appreciate it. See you. Bye.